What'd you find? Did Fire have one?
We have a night. See what he has in his egg.
Oh, what's in Fire's egg? You can open it, but you don't have to eat what's in there. No, what's in there?
1, 2.
We'll put those away for later. Put them in the basket.
Alright, well, there's none in the kitchen. The Easter Bunny doesn't hide them in the kitchen. We can go look in the computer room or the playroom.
In the computer. Computer. Where the egg? Mommy. The egg. This one is an egg. Egg.
Well, what does that egg say on it?
Daddy.
Daddy. Are you going to look some more in the computer room?
There's a pink egg.
Can you reach it? Can you open it? Okay, we'll eat that later. No, we'll eat that one later. No.